Welcome to this video, guys. In this video we're going to learn about what is promises and how they are working. Okay, in previous video we have seen what is error first callback and how callback hell will be resolved using the promises. In this video I will practically run through the example. Okay, the promise means it is a JavaScript representation. I mean, any asynchronous function we do, we register a callback. Okay, so promise asynchronous function will eventually complete it. It will not complete on go, right? So think like it is a placeholder. Promise is a placeholder which is making a promise to us that either it is will be fulfilled or rejected. Okay, states would be like this. First one is a pending one, that is initial state. I mean, when we trigger, and it may be fulfilled, that is we can also call resolve, and then it is failed, it is rejected. Okay, let me show you the simple example. If you want to create a new promise, okay, you can use this class called promise with a new keyword, which is the class, and we're making the object of it. Okay, either it would be resolved or rejected. Okay, resolved or reject. Okay, when we consume in the promise, we have to use syntax like this: promise dot then. So if successful, we will get the result and we can do whatever the operations we want here. Otherwise we will get an error, so that we should know why it was failed. Okay, coming to the one practical example, guys. I mean, we can use promises in file system operations, database operations, external API calls. I mean, in other things also. Let's see in a file system operations. Okay, FS is a file system module which is built in. We don't need to install anything. Okay, so we're reading a file. Okay, here file one, and I'm getting the data and I'm passing the data to the next promise, and then I'm reading the second file. Okay, passing the data to the next promise, and finally I'm just printing it. Okay, this is the code. Okay, see here in the callback hell we have a nested callbacks one after one. To avoid that one, we are making the promises like this: then, and finally catch. Okay, so this is the theory. Let's go to the example. I mean, I will execute one. Okay, this is the same one. So I kept the breakpoints to see the control flow. Okay, you can see the variables, call stack, and the symbols for our debugging. Okay, this is the read files function. I'm calling the function. See first one. This is the asynchronous operation. Okay, we'll keep the placeholder, that means the promise placeholder for catching the data. I mean, success case. Okay, and catch for the failure case also. Okay, see now it was read the first file, so we get the data. This is the file one. Okay, and we're passing the data to the second one. Now read the second file also, so we get the second file data also. Finally third file. Now we pass that one to the last one: data 1, data 2, data 3. Okay, finally I'm printing this one. So this is the way how promises is working, guys. So let me see, in the callback help we have a call nested functions, so it will become a callback help. To avoid that one, we're using the promises, but here also we're making a then. It's like chaining. Okay, so that's why we call it a promise chaining promises. I haven't done the same for the file. It is better than the previous one, but it is not the best one. Have another best one, that is async await. I will show you in the next video.